Say it with me, for we walk by faith, not by sight. Hey guys, John with Cheap Old Cars and Culture. So this video is going to be part of a series where we're showing different roads in Arkansas uncut. There might be camera jumps between like an interior camera, exterior camera, different exterior camera, bouncing around the car, but the entirety of that road section, it will be in the video. And this is for people who are, maybe coming here or maybe wanting to get more familiar with the road. Let's say you're wanting to go run up 103 towards Oark and you're wanting to do it pretty quick. Obviously within speed limits, but you want to do it fairly quickly. You can watch my video, maybe familiarize yourself with the road a little bit, or if you've heard about some roads in Arkansas that are pretty good, maybe you can come to me instead of other people to watch. And now the reason you would want to come to me, and something that I will be getting into more in the later videos coming out, not these first two, that's fine. So it's going to be the Pig Trail and 103. Those two videos, the rest of them will be better. I'm getting some different filters and lenses for my cameras that will enhance motion blur, which will create a sense of speed. It's making techniques that they do in Hollywood. A lot of these car chase scenes are filmed at like 35, 40 miles an hour, but they look like they're flying. It's because there's lots of motion blur. There's lots of, there's some camera shaking stuff. So I'm going to employ these same little tricks to make this footage more fun. I noticed a lot of footage of these roads, and there's footage of a lot of these roads out there, but I noticed a lot of it looks slow because people are just mounting their cell phone or a GoPro or something and just taking the footage as is, and it's not fun to watch. It just doesn't look that good. I'm going to try to make it look good. Okay, so hopefully you can find these videos, and as I add to these, you can be able to see that, hey, Arkansas's got some really good roads, 1, and 2, this guy can make some decent videos. All right, hope you enjoy this. Like and subscribe. See you in the next.